Story Nest.
Milo the mouse, with his tiny whisk and even tinier chef's hat, perched jauntily on his head, bounced excitedly on his little paws. Bella the bunny, her nose twitching with anticipation, arranged colorful mixing bowls on a checkered tablecloth laid out on the lush green grass of their backyard. Sunlight dappled through the leaves of a nearby apple tree, casting a warm glow on their preparations for a grand baking adventure. Today they were going to bake the most scrumptious berry muffins the meadow had ever tasted. Bella carefully measured out a pile of fluffy white flour, her long ears flopping slightly as she concentrated. Milo, his eyes wide with focus, poured in a stream of creamy milk, giggling as a tiny splash landed on his whisk. They worked side by side, chattering about how delicious the muffins would be and who they would share them with. Bella remembered her Grandma Hoot, who always enjoyed a sweet treat with her afternoon tea, and Milo thought of his little sister, Millie, who had a very sweet tooth. The mixing bowl became a flurry of activity as Milo and Bella took turns stirring. Milo, with his speedy little arms, whisked the batter until it was smooth and lump-free. Bella gently folded in a basket full of juicy, plump berries they had picked earlier from the bushes near the old oak tree. The sweet aroma of berries filled the air, making their mouths water in anticipation. Carefully, Bella spooned the fragrant batter into little paper cups nestled in a muffin tin. Milo watched with wide eyes, eager for his turn. When all the cups were filled, they gently placed the tin into their miniature oven. The waiting was the hardest part. They sat on the grass, their noses twitching, as the warm, sweet scent of baking muffins wafted from the oven. Finally, the timer dinged. Milo and Bella, their hearts pounding with excitement, carefully pulled out the muffin tin. Golden brown and bursting with juicy berries, the muffins looked absolutely perfect. They let them cool for a few moments before Bella arranged them on a pretty platter. "Let's take some to Grandma Hoot first," she suggested, and Milo eagerly nodded in agreement. Sharing their delicious creations made their baking adventure even sweeter.